Learn English to Gujarati. Progress to
सफलता.
Welcome to today's Gujarati adventure. Hey, you are about to learn 8 powerful Gujarati words without falling asleep on page 2. We will laugh a little, repeat a lot, and make your brain feel very clever. Today's vocabulary journey goes from progress to success, with a few mistakes and dramatic plot twists in between. Your key words are
प्रगति.
for progress,
विकास.
for development,
फेरफार.
for change,
सुधारो.
for improvement,
बगाड़.
for deterioration,
अनुभव.
for experience,
भूल.
for error, and
सफलता.
for success. If that sounds like the story of your last group project, excellent, you are already emotionally prepared. A tiny town with big dreams. Let's begin with a short story. You just have to listen and enjoy the chaos. In a tiny town, the mayor stood proudly in front of one new bench and declared, "Behold, total!"
विकास.
Exclamation mark single quote. The people looked around. There was one bench, one confused goat, and a road with a suspicious hole in it. Still, the mayor insisted the town was moving toward.
प्रगति.
Then came a sudden.
फेरफार.
The old market got fresh paint, the school got books, and even the goat looked more professional. Everyone noticed real.
सुधारो.
But then the mayor forgot to repair the water pipes, and there was immediate.
बगाड़.
Water flew through the street like it had won freedom. After this disaster, the town engineer said, "Good. Now we have.
अनुभव.
Next time, maybe we repair the pipes before the speech." The mayor checked his notes and found a huge
भूल.
Months later, after patient work, the town finally celebrated true.
सफलता.
The goat was invited as guest of honor. Word spotlight. Now let's slow down and meet each word clearly. Think of this as a friendly parade, but with less traffic. Progress is.
प्रगति.
Example. We are making.
प्रगति.
Every day. Development is.
विकास.
Example. The city shows rapid.
विकास.
Change is.
फेरफार.
Example. A big.
फेरफार.
Happened in the city. Improvement is.
सुधारो.
Example. Daily practice leads to.
सुधारो.
Deterioration is.
बगाड़.
Example. We noticed a.
बगाड़.
In the situation. Experience is.
अनुभव.
Example. She has a lot of work.
अनुभव.
Error is.
भूल.
Example. There is an.
भूल.
In this file. Success is.
सफलता.
Example. Hard work can lead to.
सफलता.
The comedy memory trick. You remember words better when your brain gets a weird picture. So yes, we are about to make your memory slightly ridiculous. Picture stairs glowing with.
प्रगति.
Every step up means progress. Picture a village turning into a modern town called.
विकास.
Picture your room suddenly changing color and furniture shape. That is.
फेरफार.
Picture messy handwriting becoming neat and elegant. That is.
सुधारो.
Picture a shiny banana turning brown and dramatic. That sad downward journey is.
बगाड़.
Picture a traveler with a backpack full of lessons called.
अनुभव.
Picture a notebook page with one giant red X over a typo. That is.
भूल.
Picture yourself holding a trophy labeled.
सफलता.
While confetti attacks your hairstyle. Mini dialogue drill. Let's make the words speak. Imagine these lines in a cheerful sitcom with very dramatic neighbors. A. Are you improving? B. Yes, I see.
प्रगति.
Every week. A. What does this new road mean? B. It means.
विकास.
A. Everything looks different. B. Yes, this is.
फेरफार.
A. Your work looks better now. B. Yes, there is real.
सुधारो.
A. the building looks worse. B. Yes, there is clear.
બગાડ.
A. Do you know how to do this? B. Yes, I have.
અનુભવ.
A. Something is wrong in the report. B. Yes, there is a.
ભૂલ.
A. Did your project go well? B. Yes, it was.
સફળતા.
Spot the difference. Some of these words are close friends, but they are not twins. Let's keep them from stealing each other's hats.
પ્રગતિ.
Means progress, moving forward step by step.
વિકાસ.
Is broader. It means development, like a town, child, or system growing.
ફેરફાર.
Means change. Not every change is good. It is simply different.
સુધારો.
Means improvement, so it is a positive change.
બગાડ.
Is the opposite direction. Things get worse.
અનુભવ.
Is experience, the wisdom you get after life kindly or rudely teaches you something.
ભૂલ.
Is an error or mistake, often small, sometimes spectacular.
સફળતા.
Is success, the happy result after effort, patience, and usually several snacks. Quick quiz, no panic. Time for a light challenge. If you get one wrong, congratulations, you have discovered the word for error. What is the Gujarati word for progress?
પ્રગતિ.
What is the Gujarati word for development?
વિકાસ.
What is the Gujarati word for change?
ફેરફાર.
What is the Gujarati word for improvement?
સુધારો.
What is the Gujarati word for deterioration?
બગાડ.
What is the Gujarati word for experience?
અનુભવ.
What is the Gujarati word for error?
ભૂલ.
What is the Gujarati word for success?
સફળતા.
Your final challenge. Now you do a little more. Don't worry, this is still friendlier than most grammar textbooks. Say this in Gujarati. We are making progress.
અમે પ્રગતિ કરી રહ્યા છીએ.
Say this in Gujarati. Development is important.
વિકાસ મહત્વપૂર્ણ છે.
Say this in Gujarati. Change is necessary.
ફેરફાર જરૂરી છે.
Say this in Gujarati. There is improvement in her work.
તેના કામમાં સુધારો છે.
Say this in Gujarati. There was a deterioration in his health.
તેના સ્વાસ્થ્યમાં બગાડ થયો.
Say this in Gujarati. I have experience.
મને અનુભવ છે.
Say this in Gujarati. This error is small.
આ ભૂલ નાની છે.
Say this in Gujarati. Success needs patience.
સફળતા માટે ધીરજ જોઈએ.
A friendly goodbye. Nice work. You made it from progress to success without any serious goat-related incidents. Today you practiced.
પ્રગતિ. વિકાસ. ફેરફાર. સુધારો. બગાડ. અનુભવ. ભૂલ.
And
સફળતા.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words aloud, and let every small step become
પ્રગતિ.
on your way to
સફળતા.